10,400 milliamp hour power bank, fast charging USB Type-C. Now the charger comes with a nice carrying bag manual and USB charging cable, micro USB. Now what I like about this, there is no more guessing, and I'll show you right now. So we're gonna charge this using USB Type-C, and now we can see automatically and it lets you know that it's charging. Eventually this number will start going up. All right, so we're gonna charge the phone. I'm gonna plug it in one of the ports. I think that's actually port 2. Shows output. My phone starts charging. Automatically shows me 5 volts and 2.1 amps. I can use the one on the side. I'm gonna try the second port. And what is nice, you can charge 2 phones at the same time. See, same output, and that's exactly what my phone is doing right now. 2.1 amp. What that means? Well, it means this 10,400 milliamp hour will allow you to charge 2.5 times your iPhone X, or if you have, let's say, a Galaxy S9, with the same battery you can charge your Galaxy S9 2.3 times, or a mini iPad to 1.2 times. And that's the benefit you get out of this nice 10,400 milliamps. Besides, you have the LCD screen and it's real small and light. That's very important. Now, charging the power bank. But if you have a 1 amp, it will take you 14 hours. If you have 2 amp and charger, it will take you 5 to 6 hours. So if you have a 2.5 and above, it will take about 4 to 5 hours. Now, today's phones, they all have at least either 2 amps or 3 amps. So it will be real hard to find ones for 1 amp. So I will say that if you're looking to know exactly how long it's going to take your device, I said most of the devices, most of the phones today, they either comes with 2 amps or 3 amps. So between 6 to 4 hours, you should be able to charge one of these power bank. And then now you will have 2 to 3 times battery and to charge your device.